And welcome back to my YouTube channel Cryptid. So in today's video I'm going to show you a proverb regarding the false listing. So false listing was really closer than people are like thinking. So let's go and show you what is happening in the Twitter X account for false. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So normally, as you know, every great project or good project, they used to make proverb without making it wider, or making it physical. So they used to make it like some proverb. So right to they release some announcement regarding the listing, which they call it got post or get post. So let's go to their Twitter handle so that we may see what is happening for in their Twitter. So and again, I mean agent yesterday, he released some announcement some tweeted, which is included that every post participant is a post on his mind. So everybody is really needing for force to be listed. So let's go. Even though me the one that I'm recording this video, so I'm really waiting for a post. All my thing is for post. Everything I do, every step I take, I used to say when it's TGE, when TGE. So let's go and see what is happening. So and again, regarding some announcement that have been held, so for some other influencer. So the hint here is maybe on 25 they are going to announce the date that they are going to list their token. And again, on 30, yes, people are thinking that the first are going to be listed. So I don't know. So it is just a prediction. So let's go to their Twitter handle so that we may see what is happening. So let's go together. So and again, this guy made it they have coffin their first date that they have posted, which is said that on 30th March seems to be final listing days for Paws. Big update is coming super soon. So here we are really waiting for it. So let's go to their Twitter handle so that we will see the update that they are shared to the community. So as you can see, here is the official X account for Paws, which is they have 635k followers. So I don't follow for any malicious account that they used to often it to scam community. So you have to be sure, you have to be cautious. So here is the first that they have posted. More integration and growth opportunities are popping up for Paws. So there is more and high for the first listing. So the reason why that they are adjusted the listing, it is for their increment, or it is for their project improvement, everything that they do, it is for us to be appreciable for the project. So here they made it they make it real. That's why the latest adjustment were made. So the reason why they made the adjustment, it is not for to disappoint the community. It is for to improve the community, enjoying the airdrop, everything about the airdrop. Every airdrop that come to give dust to the community. So the airdrop was not going to be last any longer. So here it is.